there was a dog named Gabe. He was mainly curious about the world, so he went to go explore, but his adventure was unexpected.
I feel like you hit start on purpose.
Gabe found a playground, so he didn't know it was just for cats. So he went inside and found a cat named Jeremy. So they talked, but then the cat said, "You should leave. This is only for cats, and I don't want you to get hurt." So Gabe left and went to explore some more. Gabe was walking around, then he sees a person eating Cheetos. His name was Bobby. So he kept on eating Cheetos for a long time. Gabe sat there for 2 days watching him eat Cheetos. So until he stopped, that took 2 days, and then Gabe went back on his adventure. To where? We don't know. Okay, so Gabe ran into a forest, but he was very worried because he saw an alligator. And it was after a turtle, but he thought it was a rock. But he kept on biting it. Until he heard a crack, that was Gabe stepping on a stick. Then the alligator asked,
"My name is Marco, and you should leave."
Gabe said, please let me explore real quick. Michael responded,
"No, or you will die from me."
Gabe left running. Gabe was running from the alligator that was trying to hurt him. Then Gabe jumped on a moving boat. Then there was a shark that wasn't very happy with boat. The shark jumped and almost tipped over the boat. But the boat went to the dock, to where it was. But the alligator quickly got some friends, the bigger ones, big strong ones. But next one will be unexpected.